Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This is not going to be a very long video. I just want to talk about an important trend I've been seeing in a lot of job postings. Alright, so among all the job postings I've looked at, job postings, articles, reports, there seems to be a very clear trend. It seems like right now companies are looking for people who understand a few specific libraries in Python. So if you don't know, a Python library is essentially something you can import in Python and you can use it to make your own code, and it has a bunch of inbuilt functions that you don't have to code yourself because they already exist. In Python, there is a library right now, it's called PyTorch or just Torch, and this is used to make neural networks that can be trained to classify things and carry out a specific task. Essentially, one subset of AI is neural networks, and you can use PyTorch to make these. There are other libraries that you can use, just like TensorFlow, but basically, people who understand how to build neural networks, those are the people companies are looking for right now. For example, let me show you this job posting. All right, so for example, on ZipRecruiter, Tesla is looking for a software engineer who knows how to use PyTorch, and the salary is around $118,000 per year. So that's 1 crore per year. And not just this one, like if you look at the general trends, like a lot of these job postings are looking for specifically PyTorch experts who understand how to build neural networks using PyTorch. All right, so companies want people who can do three things with PyTorch. They want people who can build a neural network using PyTorch specific to a company application, say identifying spam emails. They want people who can then train these neural networks, again, using PyTorch, specific to company applications and parameters. These are very specific things that we don't have to go into. And they also want people who can continue to optimize these neural networks using PyTorch. So build, train, and optimize neural networks in PyTorch. That's what companies want right now. That's one thing they want right now. I thought you might find this information useful. It seems like a lot of people want PyTorch engineers and are willing to pay for it as well. So I think it's something worth knowing. I hope you found this video useful, informative, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.